49a to the 8th b squared. What do y'all think? And b. 7a to the 4th b. What else are we missing? Perfect. Any questions about that? How did we get this 4 and this 1 right here? Yes. All right, next one. Is it negative 2 or positive 2? Or is it 2i? Negative 2. Good. Now let's discuss why. Can we have negatives under even roots? No. Can we have negatives under odds? Yes, because negative 2 cubed, that's the same thing as negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So what's negative 2 times negative 2? Times negative 2? Yes. That's why it's negative 2. Everybody see that? Next. Do we need a plus or minus? Nope. Alright, go ahead and, or excuse me, this next one is the same thing as what? What's 1/2 the same thing as? Good. Go ahead and do this one on your own. I'm just rewriting it. Go ahead and do that one on your own. Alright, Cordell, what'd you break 80 up into? Or do we have to break 80 up? Yeah. Because it's not a perfect square, right? Good, I heard 16 and 5. That works because 16 is a what? Did anybody use 4 and 20? Okay, would that work? Yes, but why is this more work? You still have to break up the 20, right? Everybody see that? You can use it. You still have to break it up. Did anybody use like 8 and 10?
That's not 6 and 7. I knew we were wrong.
Why?
Because it's not a perfect square.
Good. Alright, do we have to break up the 7 part? Into what? And what about this y? Very good. Alright, final answer. What else? Very good.
Okay.
Y'all good with these? Or do we need to do another one? Okay. Sweet. That's what I like to hear. Next one. What do we have to do on this one? Alright, why don't we have to FOIL on this one? We're not multiplying. Good. So how do we subtract these? To these. Very good. Let's go ahead and do that. So 4 plus 6 square root of 5 minus 9 plus 2 square root of 5. Does 4 have any friends? Yeah. Alright. What's its friend? So when we combine them? Very good. Are 6 square root of 5 and 2 square root of 5 friends? So when we combine them? Not square root of 10? Very good. Alright, number 5. What's the problem? Okay, how do we get rid of it? Yes, conjugate, which is what? Alright. Darrell, what would I get on top when I multiply these? Almost. This 4's got to be multiplied by both of them. Why can't, I'm glad you said that. Why can't we have square root of 24? Good. This one's under a radical. Is this one? No. So when I multiply them, what would that look like? Perfect. David on bottom, do I have to fold this out? Why don't I have to fold this one? What cancels? What cancels when we multiply something by its conjugate? The middle terms. Good. So when we full, we don't have to do outer and inner, so we just do the first terms, which makes what? And the last terms? Very good, minus 6. So what's on bottom? Can we simplify anything? So we could take a 3 out of these? No. Why? It has to be all 3 of them we can take a term out. So can we take a 3 out of this? Nope. Very good. Last one. Together, anyways. Alright. Can we add or subtract any of this?
No.
So what do we do? Yes. Break which ones down? The 8 into what? The 98 into... Nine times 8 is 98. Very good. 49 and 2. What about the 18? Very good. Now, how did you know? Oh, sorry. How did you know 49 and 2, Carolina?
Because there's a 2 right there.
Thank you. Y'all get what she's saying? You gotta think smart. All right. If we're trying to combine these, right, it has to be the same number underneath. So if we take out a 4, what's going to be left underneath? So there's probably going to be a 2 under all of these, right? So she just divided this by 2 to get 49. Everybody see that? Okay. You got it, Daniel? All right. Square root of 4 times 3. Square root of 49 times 5. What's going to be on the outside here? All right. What's 6 plus 35? Minus 3. Very good. 38 what? Very good. So all of that's going to be on your test. Y'all feel comfortable with those? Now the new information that we learned is what's going to be the rest of this. I'm only going to do one of these with you on the front. Pick one. 6. Okay. Number 6. Okay, first step, people that were here Friday, we need to get what by itself? The radical. Good. Can we do that here? No. So what do we do now? Very good. What am I going to have on the left side? All right, on this side? Good. Where'd you get 4 from? 2 squared is 4. What about when I square m plus 11? Just get m plus 11, no radical, correct? Next. So m plus 23 equals... Alright. Next. Okay. Subtract 23. That'll give us m equals 4m plus what? Okay. Next we need to do what? Subtract what? 4m. That'll make what on this side? 3m equals? So m equals? Oh, thank you. So it's what? Yes. Sorry, I made a boo-boo. Alright, last thing. Remember, we have to check these. You absolutely have to check them because there's one that could be extraneous. So let's do it in our head. What is negative 7 plus 23?
Plus 23?
Yeah.
30.
No. Negative 7 plus 23. Not 30. 16? Okay. So on this side, what is negative 7 plus 11? Alright, so what's square root of 16? What is 2 times the square root of 4? Very good, so it checks out. Everybody good with these? Don't lie to me.
So like you check it,
Yes, go ahead.
you check it, just the numbers that you got when you add it, you put it on the square root.
Yeah, like you just plug in negative 7 for m right here. So I got negative 7 plus 11, that's 4. Square root of 4 is 2 times 2 is 4. And then on this side, negative 7 plus 23 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So they're equal. Do we need to do another one together, or are y'all good? Yes, one more? Okay. Let's pick one on the back. Pick a number 1 through 13.
13.
Okay. Number 13. Is the radical by itself? Yes. So what do we skip to? The squaring part. First of all, will you square all of them? It depends on what the what is. The root. Good. Like on, just going back to here, you would have to do what to each side? Raise it to the what power? Alright. Just make sure we're on the same page. Ashton, what will I get on the left side? Go ahead. Equals, anybody? 9x. Good. Alright, what next? Okay, what's that going to do? Okay, so we got 4x minus 4 equals 0. Next, add 4. Next. Very good. Now let's check it. Alright, plugging this back into both sides. 9 times 1 squared? 9 plus 4? 13 minus 4? So it'd be square root of 9 on this side, which we know is 3. On this side, 3 times 1 is? Do these match up? Yes. So what you'll do on this side, and we'll get to that in a minute. Any questions? Do we need to do another one, or are we good? Okay. Everyone else is good? Don't lie to me. She always do this, and then I'm like, okay, you can work on your own, and then y'all poop your britches. Alright. You're doing 1 through 5 on your own. If you need help, let me know.